Welcome back to another thrilling journey into the world of giant technology. Today, we're not just going to witness, but actually dive into an unexpected adventure deep in the forest, where massive machines roar relentlessly, slicing wood and shredding trees as if it's an awe-inspiring buffet. Are you ready to face these mighty steel monsters that can transform an entire forest in the blink of an eye? Let's explore together, and make sure you don't blink, or you might miss the most dramatic moments. The first thing that caught my eye was a machine called Baker Products. But it wasn't the name that impressed me. It was how it operated like a true monster. This was a wood-cutting machine, but from a distance, you might mistake it for a massive grinder, with a saw blade so large it could be compared to the weapon of a medieval warrior. Except it's powered by an industrial-strength engine rather than muscular arms. Its 50 horsepower engine is no joke. The roar of this machine could make the entire forest tremble. Its 36-inch saw blade, if it were a pizza, you'd need to call your entire family to finish it. But instead of slicing pizza, it slices through enormous logs, huge, long, and heavy. Just a split second, these massive logs are cut into neat pieces, as if a skilled chef was slicing through meat with the sharpest knife. Steel wheels help guide the process smoothly, maneuvering everything with the ease of pushing a shopping cart. It's a formidable machine, and I couldn't help but wonder, if Baker Products were a chef, what kind of dish would this machine prepare with such gigantic logs? Just as I thought I'd seen enough of Baker Products, a new sound echoed through the forest, a powerful engine growling like a windstorm. This time I was witnessing the Vermeer WC-2300XL, a wood chipping machine. But not just any ordinary wood chipper, this was a greedy metal beast, ready to devour anything fed into its mouth. Have you ever seen someone at an all-you-can-eat buffet eating non-stop? Imagine instead of food, it's giant trees that are being swallowed. This machine can crush anything it touches, trunks, branches, everything in a matter of seconds. And the result? Tiny wood chips flying everywhere like snowflakes in winter. The Vermeer is equipped with dual conveyor technology, adjusting speed based on the size of the wood. It reminded me of how you automatically adjust your chewing pace when eating a larger piece of steak, slower to savor or faster to keep going. With Vermeer, devouring a buffet of wood is as simple as eating without needing to pause. I thought I had seen it all, but no. Just a few minutes later, a new scene unfolded. This time, it was the Cambio 800D barker, a machine specializing in debarking trees. You could think of this machine as the superhero of the forestry world. Strong, durable, and tireless, the Cambio 800D barker handles massive logs like a skilled chef peeling an apple, quick, precise, and almost effortlessly. A log enters, and within seconds it's stripped clean of its bark, left bare like a bone after being gnawed on. The stripped, smooth log looks almost ready to be turned into construction beams or furniture. The elegance and precision of the Cambio 800D's movements left me in awe. As I stood there, continuing to watch these modern forestry machines, a loud noise boomed from a distance. This time, I got to witness a Rotna H8D in motion. While the previous machines remained stationary as they worked, the Rotna H8D was different. It moved with agility, like a mobile monster, its flexible joints allowing it to glide through the towering trees. This Rotna H8D can operate on any terrain, whether it's rugged mountains or muddy fields. Its chassis is designed in two parts, with a unique joint, allowing it to move easily and smoothly, like a predator stalking its prey. It approached a massive tree, and within a few swift motions, the tree was lifted, cut, and neatly arranged into uniform logs. What's even more incredible is that the Rotna H8D requires minimal human intervention. It's almost autonomous in locating trees, cutting them down, and transporting them. It reminded me of a robot from a sci-fi movie, walking around and working without needing a pilot. But the highlight of the afternoon was perhaps the appearance of a machine named Forestry, one of the most impressive timber harvesters I've ever seen. The name Bear is a fitting description of its strength and endurance. With its long, powerful robotic arm, the Forestry can lift massive logs without breaking a sweat. I stood from afar, watching it work, as though observing a gigantic bear in the forest. With each swing of its arm, another tree was lifted high, cut into regular segments. The Forestry's arm can rotate up to 250 degrees, similar to how you might casually rotate a cup in your hand. However, instead of a small cup, it's lifting massive logs weighing several tons. Standing there, watching these modern timber harvesters at work, I couldn't help but marvel at the advancement of technology. From the simple tools like axes and handsaws used by loggers in centuries past, humanity has now created colossal machines, powerful like warriors in an endless battle with nature. And while there's a sense of unease about the destruction wrought by mankind, it's undeniable that the presence of these machines also brings a sense of wonder, as if they're part of an ongoing human revolution. So, the adventure with these iron giants in the forest has come to an end. But doesn't it leave you feeling a little excited? The Baker products, Vermeer, Rotney H8D, and Ponce Bear all left lasting impressions, like powerful warriors in the endless battle against nature. Standing in their presence, you feel small, but filled with admiration for the power of technology. But wait, our journey isn't over yet. There are even more fascinating things ahead. Bigger, stranger machines that will surely leave you in awe. So, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss a single moment of these thrilling journeys. It's not just me, but these machines are eagerly awaiting your return too. Subscribe now, and every time you enter the channel, you'll be immersed in new and exciting adventures.